Saturday, January 10th, and it's about 2:30 in the afternoon right now. Dad and Aidan and Randy all worked right till the bitter end last night, like after 6. It was a really good work day, and they were busy on the 67 yellow doing the power steering, and then we even got ahead on the red 1955. So a couple days ago I posted a video about no money, no honey. A lot of guys commented, just stop working, but these guys ended up giving me a partial down payment. It was enough for me to get the bearings and get that started. And because those bearings, a few of them are in right now, but the rest is the balance. I expect the end of the month. And so Randy's in town for a couple of days. We really want to utilize him on doing the wiring, because Randy's our wiring extraordinaire. And so between Randy and Aidan and Dad, they've been working on the wiring for the red 55, and it's a lot of work. I just got back from town. I was doing the books on both these machines. The yellow Bombardier customer, he's well ahead. I might end up having to give him money back, but I haven't calculated up the last 10 days of labor. But these guys have been busy in the shop all day here, and it looks like Aidan's on the 67, and he is buffing out the front, and because the customer indicated they would like actually a bit of a paint job there. And then Randy is busy on the wiring for the 55, and he had to put the junction box in on the other side because we can't run the wiring from the engine normally through the front on the left hand side because of the smokestack there. Dad's afraid that that's just gonna catch on fire. And this little peckerhead right here, Nina Pinta Santa Maria, well, she's just loving playing with the big dogs. Caught her out in the yard with Yeti, just prancing around. Good thing there's no eagles or anything around here, but as far as she's concerned, she wants to run around with the big dogs. Hates being in the shop all day. And Yeti, well, he just had his treats and he wants to just do some visiting. Filipino Emily grabbed her treats and went outside. Doesn't like being inside too much. Cat's just doing his thing. But yeah, these guys are really busy here last couple of days. Dad really wants to punch out that yellow Bombardier, the 67, because it's the guy's commercial fishing, and he wants to use his Bombardier for commercial fishing, and he's out of Easterville, and Dad wants to get back to the customer. So they're just wrapping this up here. Probably hopefully done by Monday for this guy, and then he can come and pick up his machine and he can get back to work. He's using skidoos right now, but he's happy to have Dad do a little bit of extra work. He came in for a power steering and a tune-up, and the tune-up turned into be more work than what Dad normally thought was going on there. Dad had a bit of a hang-up yesterday with the power steering. We've got these electronic guts or brains that Dad installs. They come in from Portugal, and Dad really scared the shit out of me when he said he couldn't find his parts. And thank God I found them, and I was able to give them to Dad, and they were the right ones. And but it looks like these guys are still on the front door here. They got to still shape it and cut it, and but they got the weld-on steel hinges there, and you got the windshield wiper installed there. But I'm gonna take a break here, and then I'm gonna come back and keep interviewing Dad and the boys. So they're just putting in the hinges for the front panel of the 67. So on the 55 last night, Aidan was trying to reinforce the steering column, and he managed to fix it now so it doesn't move. And as you can see, there's no turning back on this wiring job now that Randy has started. He's got tools and wire and end bits all over the place. So these guys for about the last hour and a half have been closing up the front. They got the latches set there now, so they can
This is all ready now for light sanding and painting.
okay, so Dad said he's going to do some light sanding and painting tomorrow, and we're not doing the full paint job here, guys, because customers coming back after the commercial fishing season, but we can't let that go out like that because he's just going to develop a whole bunch of rust and whatnot. Dad still has to cut this back and form fit it so we can put it back into place, but it can't have the width on the ends there as wide because he's still got to be able to open up the front. He needs access, so he's going to cut it down and then form fit it. And but getting closer here. I was talking to Dad earlier. We're hoping Monday we can call this customer and then they can come pick up their machine, but that painting's got to cure as well, so it might be Tuesday. I don't know. And so they're just going to adjust the wiper arm blade now. Yep. Power on.
Okay. This is all done now, eh?
Okay. And that's how easy it turns, and I'll show you guys turn it again. That's how easy the skis turn now.
2 fingers.
2-finger turning. And that's the difference, guys, for power steering. Really recommend it on your machines. Obviously, old man Armand Bombardier or Bombardier there didn't think of it 70 years ago, but we can think of it now.
There's
And
roughly 30 of these installed now
yeah,
over the last 16, 17 years and never had a failure.
yeah. So I mentioned before, Dad gets the guts or the brains out of Portugal. Doesn't let me actually film the installation of this because this is his little custom side thing that he likes doing. But they're going to test the wiper blades here right away. Okay.
You have to loosen it.
Yeah. That's where it is.
Hey,
Right there. There.
you can press it down.
So they got to get the timing done on the wiper
Little
blade
higher.
here.
Little
Wiper
higher.
arm.
That's it. Okay, try that.
This has to be installed just exact.
No.
And they've got to do the timing just right.
There's no shortcuts.
So I can just tell that these guys are on the wind down here for the day. There's less equipment moving, but it's 20 after 4 and they're going to be wrapping everything up here shortly. We'll have the end of day wet. And still more wiring to do on the 55. But Randy hopefully comes back tomorrow to finish off. He's got to go to Winnipeg for a few days. Dad and Aidan are still working on the
Are you under there? Yes. Hold the motor. I'm going to take the nut off.
they're still working on the windshield wiper motor. And I think it's got to come out. See, it's on the dash there, holding the motor itself. And this can be a real tricky job for Dad, especially if he's doing it by himself. But they're going to take that out and do some remeasuring here. Old cranky dog of mine. Big suckhole. He's on his second yummies treat for today. Might be his third.